Autumn may be a little different this year, but I want to show you all that there's still ways to appreciate the beauty of this season safely.
Busy keeping up with the Joneses or conquer rock, you building home. Everything we got now.
Hey!
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of fall and Halloween. Also, my LARP and mental health documentary is fully captioned now, with character names, so go watch it if you haven't already. The names definitely help give more context to the @LARP scenes. I was just on a LARP chat interview stream on Hefty Yeti's Twitch channel. It's on there on YouTube, the link is in the description, and check out the rest of his channel while you're at it. I'm also going to be releasing a Halloween video very soon showing the Knights of the Jack drive-thru exhibit in Calabasas, so keep an eye out for that very soon. And if you want more autumn vibes, you can check out my old Not Scary Farm video for a reminder of brighter times when we could still actually go to crowded places. Stay safe out there and happy Halloween!